Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for free on a Windows PC. You should be able to follow this video for all versions of Windows. We'll be getting the official free version of Resolve. It doesn't have all the features as the paid version, but is still a good video editor. Let's get into the video. To download Resolve, we first need to head to the Blackmagic Design website. That's who makes Resolve. I'll include the link in the description, but all it is www.blackmagicdesign.com/products/DaVinci Resolve. Once the site loads, you should see a page similar to this. Find where it says free download now, or you could read about the software first. After clicking on download, you now need to choose Windows underneath where it says DaVinci Resolve and the version number. Make sure you choose just regular Resolve here and not the Studio version. Next, you'll need to fill in the information on this page with a star next to it to be able to download Resolve. Some of the information is optional. With this filled out, click on Register and Download in the bottom right. The download should start automatically now, and you'll need to save it to your Downloads folder. However, if it doesn't start automatically, click on the button in the middle. Once downloaded, open the file either from the browser or the location you downloaded it to. It should then say extracting, and once this is complete, it will request to make changes on your computer, and you need to allow this. It may take a while to extract. After allowing the program to make changes, the actual installer window should open. What you choose to install is up to you, however you should only need to have DaVinci Resolve checked here, and you can uncheck the other two unless you want them included, of course. Click on Install and then allow it to check your PC for space requirements. Once this is complete, click on Next and then check through and accept the license agreement and click on Next again. It will now show the install location, and the default one should be fine, but you may change it if you want. It's probably worth taking a quick mental note of it in case you need to access these files later, but you shouldn't need to. Click on Next again and then click on Install. The installation will now begin, and it could take a while. Once it's installed, click on Finish and then OK. DaVinci Resolve should now be installed, and you can open it up now by double-clicking the shortcut or searching for it in the search bar to finish off the first time setup. After opening it, you might see a screen showing you the features. Click on Continue and then Start, and Resolve will start loading. You might see slightly different messages depending on the version you have installed, and loading the software may take a while depending on your PC. Once Resolve loads, you'll be able to create a new project on this page and you can start editing. And so that is how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for free on a Windows PC. If you have any questions about the software, such as setting up a project, then let me know in the comments and check out my channel, as I'll have more helpful videos on Resolve, including covering some of its features. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. These tips might help Resolve run and load faster. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.